Today we will start question number 2 of exercise 3.4, which are the word problems are here. The first word problem is, if 1 is added to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So in question they are asking about the fraction, but we don't know what is numerator and what is denominator, but some conditions are given. So in place of numerator and denominators which are unknown, we can take the variables. So let us express the numerator and denominator. So in solution we will write, let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So we express the numerator and denominator. So therefore the fraction will be x is the numerator and y is the denominator. So x upon y. But the condition here they have told that if 1 is added to the numerator. That means if in numerator if we will add 1, if 1 is added to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, and if we will subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1, means whatever the simplification of that fraction comes after adding 1 to the numerator and subtracting 1 from the denominator, it reduces to 1. So this is the first condition. So here we will write from the condition of the problem. From the condition of the problem. So from the condition of the problem, if 1 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator, it reduces to 1. We will solve it and we will write in the form of ax plus by is equals to c. So if we will solve and take the cross multiplication, this implies x plus 1 is equals to y minus 1. And if you will solve for x and y, this will becomes x and this y will come over here, so minus y is equals to, this minus 1 will be here and this 1 will go there, it becomes minus 1. So this implies x minus y is equals to minus 2. So this is one equation we framed. Now again the condition is there. So up to here, up to this condition, if 1 is added to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, fraction reduces to 1. Up to here we express the equation number 1. Now the condition is, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. The condition is again extended, that means it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So from the second condition, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So this is our fraction x upon y, and if you only add 1 to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. So we will solve this. Take the cross multiplication like this, x with 2, that is 2x, and y plus 1 with 1. It is equals to 1 into y plus 1. And if you will solve this, this become 2x is equals to y plus 1, and this implies 2x minus y is equals to 1, and we will give it to number 2. Now see the first equation. I am writing here. See the first equation, x minus 2. This is our first equation. X minus 2 equals x minus y is equals to minus 2. This is first. And second is 2x minus y is equals to 1. This is our second. Now we have to solve this equation by elimination method. So in elimination method, our aim is to eliminate any one term, either x or either y. If you will see x, to make it equal, we have to multiply here with 2. But if you will see the y terms, both are same. They can be eliminated easily. But the sign is same here. So 1 must be plus. So what we will do, we will subtract 1 minus, I will write here 1 minus 2. So if we will subtract, so this is the subtraction. If we will subtract 1 minus 2, So this sign will become here plus and here will become minus. And the answer will come x minus 2x will become minus x, and this y and y term will be get cancelled, and this will minus 2 and minus 1 will become minus 3, and this implies minus x is equals to minus 3, and this implies x is equals to 3. So the one value, that is x is equals to 3, is known. Now put x is equals to 3 in. To get the value of y, either you put in 1 or 2. I find first equation is easy. Here we have to less simplify. So I will put the value of x in 1. So put x is equals to 3 in 1. So x minus y is equals to minus 2. This is our first equation. We will put x is equals to 3. So 3 minus y is equals to minus 2. So this becomes minus y is equals to minus 2 minus 3, because this 3 will go here, and this becomes minus y is equals to minus 5, and this implies y is equals to 5. Now the value of x and y is known, which we took as a numerator and denominator, and therefore we will write, therefore the fraction is, x is in numerator, we will write 3 in numerator, and y is in denominator, we will write 5 in denominator. Therefore the fraction is 3 upon 5. This is the answer.